Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th May 2024. India is planning a comprehensive overhaul of its urban transportation system, aiming to merge metro and bus services while prioritizing the adoption of clean energy. The proposal also includes incentives to encourage environmentally friendly intra-city freight transport using small trucks. The Hinduja Group will raise its stake in IndusInd Bank from 16% to 26% in multiple tranches, even as its promoter company IndusInd International Holding is working on a plan to list on Mauritius-based stock exchange Afrinex. IndusInd International Holdings has received the Reserve Bank of India's approval letter to raise its stake in the bank to 26%. IndusInd International Holdings Ltd, an investment arm of the Hinduja brothers, aims to improve valuation of its investment to $50 billion by 2030. IIHL has already received RBI nod to raise its stake in IndusInd Bank to 26%. The investment arm also plans to grow life and non-life businesses, start its health insurance operations, and will retain Reliance Securities and ARC businesses. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has refuted recent media reports speculating sweeping changes to the income tax system following the upcoming Lok Sabha election results. Taking to the social media platform X, Sitharaman dismissed the reports as pure speculation, emphasizing that they hadn't been verified with the Finance Ministry. SEBI, in order to facilitate collective oversight of PMS distributors at the industry level, has decided that any person or entity involved in the distribution of portfolio management services must obtain registration with the Association of Portfolio Managers in India. This move aims to promote ease of doing business initiatives for portfolio managers. Further, portfolio managers must ensure that the person or entity engaged in the distribution of its services has obtained registration with APMI in accordance with the criteria laid down by the APMI. The circular shall be effective from January 1st, 2025. The APMI must issue the criteria for registration of distributors by July 1st, 2024. SEBI has now released a framework for the administration and supervision of research analysts and investment advisors. Further, research analyst administration and supervisory body and investment advisor administration and supervisory body shall be one and the same stock exchange in order to ensure efficiency in the system and economies of scale. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.